Looking to upgrade your kitchen but not sure where to start? In today's video, we'll reveal the top 5 kitchen faucet brands that combine style, durability, and functionality to elevate your cooking space. Stay tuned to find out which brands can transform your kitchen into a chef's paradise. Before we dive in, please support my channel by hitting the like button. So, let's get started. We will start our video with Forious Kitchen Faucet. The Forious Black Kitchen Faucet combines premium SUS 304 stainless steel construction with drip-free ceramic cartridges and integrated aerators, saving 20% on water. It offers 3 spray settings, an 18-inch retractable hose, and a 360 degrees rotating sprayer for versatile use. Easy to install in under 15 minutes, it features a 5-layer nanotechnology finish for simple cleaning and durability. Perfect for various applications, it comes with a 2-year return policy and lifetime parts replacement warranty. Now, let's talk about Lufeidra Kitchen Faucet. The Lufeidra Black Kitchen Faucet features a high-arc spring design with a dual-function pull-down sprayer, offering both stream and spray modes. Made from commercial SUS 304 stainless steel with a 7-layer coating, it resists rust and corrosion. Easy to install in 10 minutes, it fits single and 3-hole sinks, providing reliable performance and a modern aesthetic for kitchens, RVs, and more. Move on to Kraus Kitchen Faucet. The Kraus KPF 1610 MB Bolden 18-inch commercial kitchen faucet features a flexible, functional design with a heavy-duty open coil spring spout. Its dual-function pull-down spray head offers an extended range of motion and easy-clean rubber nozzles. The matte black finish resists wear, and the smart handle design allows for tight space installation. Pre-attached water supply lines and all mounting hardware are included for easy installation, backed by a lifetime limited warranty. Now we will introduce Owofan Kitchen Faucet. The Owofan Kitchen Faucet features a brushed nickel finish and an industrial open spout design, fitting under most cabinets with an 18.5-inch height. It offers dual-mode settings for a soft aerated stream and powerful spray, with a 360-degree sprayer for flexibility. Made from SUS 304 stainless steel with food-grade PX inner hoses and ceramic disc valves, it ensures a lead-free, durable performance. Suitable for 1 or 3-hole installations with a 10-inch deck plate included. Last on of our list is Kohler Kitchen Faucet. The Kohler 596 VS Samplice pull-down kitchen faucet features a high-arch spout for superior clearance and a 3-function spray head with touch control for stream, sweep spray, and boost modes. Its promotion technology ensures ease of use with a light, quiet hose and swiveling ball joint. Made with a corrosion and tarnish-resistant finish, it includes flexible supply lines for easy installation and meets EPA criteria for efficiency. We reached the end of this video. I hope you find the perfect kitchen faucet for your needs. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below. Thank you for watching.